Hey everybody, welcome to Hive. Thank you for joining me. And welcome to Shout Out and a Speed Build number 9. So today's shout out is going to go to one of my younger viewers, subscribers, and it's for Bricks in Lithuania. And I gotta tell you, he amazes me all the time. You know, I've seen him in a matter of minutes just build incredible looking mocks. He seems to specialize in lightsabers. He's made several. I mean, I know he's made like Mace Windu's, Luke's, Rey's, and others that I can't think of off the top of my head. But yeah, just really incredible builder. I've seen him like make a custom stand for his minifigure, and just other things. Because he does so many. Like I'll watch him build something incredible, like I say, almost like really in a matter of minutes, and then he'll just take it apart and just build something else. So Bricks in Lithuania. Sorry, I always have a hard time trying to pronounce that. But yeah, definitely go check him out. Go subscribe to his channel, watch his videos. I mean, he's really talented, very, very talented. I can't imagine how good he's gonna be, you know, in the future, down the road. You know, so definitely very cool kid. So big thumbs up, Bricks in Lithuania. Usually in the chat and stuff, I'll just say BIL. So, but yeah, go show him some love and check out his stuff. I guarantee you will be impressed. Personally, I think I need to get like a parts list or something from him so I can build one of those lightsabers. So I may talk to you about that. Alright, so the speed build is going to be an actual cool speed build. It is a Speed Champion car. It's one of the newer ones. It's the Nissan GTR. I think it's pronounced Nismo. Yeah, tell me if I'm wrong in the chats. I'm not 100% sure. But really cool car. Very, very cool. So 298 pieces. Set 76896. Very, very neat. So this is going to be the speed build, and let's go ahead and just get right to it.